Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make some more fall DIYs in beautiful blue tone to decorate your kitchen. So let's start with DIY number 1. For this DIY, I'm just taking this beautiful Thankful and Blessed blue plaid set for kitchen. So I just took some of this towel. Actually, it's a tea towel, and it had this beautiful lettering. I love that golden lettering and also the blue plaid in the bottom, so I wanted to show both of them together. For that, I just took one of this pumpkin sign that I got from Dollar Tree recently, and I'm just attaching this towel using generous amount of hot glue, showing the plaid and also the beautiful golden lettering. So I'm just taking my sweet time to attach all the corners, and I'm going to trim off the excess fabric. For that, I just wanted to first measure how much I want to exactly cover the whole sign. And yeah, this is how it looks as of now, and after it's fully stuck, this is how it is. And I just took one of this beautiful fall leaf and I stuck one of this glass pumpkin, and I painted the same color as this towel colors, blue, teal blue I think. And I just took some of this maple leaves, and I just painted with this fall colors like orange and yellow. And I'm taking this fall greenery and those beautiful bluish what are they called, hydrangeas, yeah. And I'm taking all the fall greeneries around this leaf, and I'm going to decorate this, and I'm going to show how it's going to look in a second. This is how it looks after that all the decorations are fixed. And isn't that pretty? I also stuck that beautiful maple leaf and the line that is flowing through, and I love this final result of this beautiful kitchen decor. You can decorate your kitchen with this cute decoration item, which is very budget friendly, and you can decorate from Dollar Tree items too. So this is one of the things that I want to share with you all today. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please let me know your thoughts. Today's video will be part of Fall Open Collab, and this is hosted by Aurea from DIY with Aurea, and Rae from One Way Designs 238, and Loli from Loli Creations, and the co-host would be Kathy from Kathy Joe DIYs. And I'm going to link the crafting channels of all these great creators in my description box, and the link to the huge playlist. So please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use the same designed collection of this store top covers, and I'm going to take the bigger one, and this would be ideal for making tier trays. And I'm just taking the top one, and I'm also taking this beaded wreath from Dollar Tree. I'm adjusting this wooden beaded wreath to find the right place to stick it. So now I'm just taking a little bit of, actually generous amount of hot glue around the beads, and I'm going to stick it, and I'm going to show how it's going to look in just a second. After it is stuck, I'm going to, this is how it looks after it's completely stuck. And I'm also taking this beautiful fall leaf, and I'm going to attach it to cover that joining part where those two beads, the circular beads meet, you know what I'm saying. So I'm also going to attach some of this greenery around it, and I'm going to show in just a second after all the greeneries and florals are stuck. And this could be a great addition to your kitchen decor or anywhere around the house, I would say. And this is one of the cute DIY that I wanted to share with you all today, and it's something that you don't have to spend much to decorate your house. You can buy around items around Dollar Tree and make cute DIYs and decorate. And this is another pumpkin that I made last year, and since the color is actually going well with all the DIYs today, I thought I'll also add that here. And yeah, this is our teal fall decor along to match all the DIYs today. I love how this turned out. I want to know what your thoughts are. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm also going to use the same matching decoration. I got a set of pot holders with the same matching design, and I'm just going to pull all these tags and I'm going to make a cute item from this. You're going to see it would be in just a second. So I'm just going to bend this. I could have cut it down, but I do not want to remove the thread lines, so I just pulled it inside and I'm just sticking it so it doesn't show up when I'm making this decoration. So I just took generous amount of hot glue and pulled that in and I just stuck it. Now I'm going to attach these two with a straight line of a glue facing the plain side inside and the design side outside with a straight line of hot glue, just like so. And I'm going to carefully attach all 3 sides, and I want to create a pocket to actually this is how you can create a pocket. And I'm going to stuff all these plastic bags, and this would be our stuffing. I don't want to throw this plastic outside, so I thought I would stuff it as a stuffing. So after I filled all this stuffing, I'm just going to close the 4th side with generous amount of hot glue, and I'm going to show that in a second. And this is our cute pillow that you can decorate anywhere around the house. So yeah, this is how it looks after it is completely stuck, and isn't that cute? And I'm also going to stick one of this cute wooden maple leaf in one corner to finish the look. And this is some of this wooden leaf that came in this set. And yeah, this is the final result of this cute fall pillow that you can decorate anywhere around the house. And this is all the same design of the same collection, and I'm so happy how this turned out. I hope you would like it too, so please let me know your thoughts. If you want to connect with me, these are some of the social media links that you can use. This is the final reveal of all the DIYs today, you guys. This is in beautiful teal plaid and also in beautiful golden letters which says thankful and blessed. And I loved the colors and the verbiage, and I wanted to include in one of this fall series DIYs. So I thought this would be a nice DIYs to decorate your kitchen or anywhere around the house. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like any of these ideas and would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon for me to get updated when I make videos like this. I want to thank each and every one of you and taking some of your time from your busy schedule and to watch this video. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much, you guys. Until next time, if you would like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen, and I will let you enjoy the final reveal. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.